सामने से तो हट आइए।
सामने से आप
फिर खड़े हो गए यार, ये है क्या यार।
Bachelor of Science.
अरे यार,
धन्यवाद कुलपति जी। अब मैं कुल सचिव महोदया से अनुरोध करता हूं कि वो अनुमोदित गणमान्य व्यक्तियों को मानद उपाधियां प्रदान करने हेतु कुलपति महोदय की सहायता करें। कुल सचिव जी।
मैं माननीय कुलपति जी से निवेदन करती हूं कि वे गणमान्य विभूतियों को मानद उपाधि प्रदान करें। माननीय श्री राजनाथ सिंह जी, डॉक्टर ऑफ लॉज।
श्री राजनाथ जी, Shri Rajnath ji, born in 1951 in a farmer's family at village Babora in Varanasi, received his basic education in the village and subsequently completed his Master of Science in Physics from Gorakhpur University. He was a brilliant student. He worked as a lecturer in physics at KB Postgraduate College, Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. He is a born leader. He has worked actively and led in an exemplary manner on different fronts at different organization levels, starting from the very bottom and reaching to the top, and demonstrated grand success in his endeavors. He is a committed nationalist. He has worked for the cause of different sections of society. Shri Singh entered politics in 1974 and elected MLC of Uttar Pradesh. He became Education Minister in 1991. In his tenure as Education Minister, he established some landmark by introducing several important measures such as the Anti-Copying Act for cleaning the education sector. He became a member of the Rajya Sabha in 1994. In 2000, he became the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. As the Agriculture Minister, he took initiative and brought down interest rate on agriculture loan substantially, and also established Farmer Commission and initiated Farms Income Insurance Scheme. He has laid emphasis on issues of public interest like inspiring prices of essential commodities and farmers' grievance. He is a strong votary of women's development, which include taking important steps like ensuring reservation of posts for women even in the party organization. His concern for the youth is quite aptly reflected in his book Unemployment, Its Reasons and Remedies. He has covered the entire length and breadth of the country. He embarked on Bharat Suraksha Yatra, which covered several states, taking up the challenges faced due to increasing terrorist activities and threats to internal security. Currently, he is the Union Minister of Home Affairs, Government of India. Leadership is a quality which cannot be acquired by any person from the other, but it can be acquired by self-determination of a person. Leadership can best be called the personality of the very highest ability, whether in governance, thinking, imaging, or innovation. Shri Rajnath Singh Ji embodies each and every one of these attributes. An inspiring leader, he has always been a guiding people positively and giving them hopes in tough times. He has always made decisions in the interest of the society. He is admired and loved especially by the citizens of Lucknow and by the people of Uttar Pradesh and also the fraternity of this very university in particular. And the country as an upside politician, firm decision maker, vote of the development, pathfinder, and above all, a noted leader. The Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar University, therefore, feels proud, honored that to confer upon eminent political leader, social worker, and a champion of the cause of people, Shri Rajnath Singh Ji, the degree of the Doctor of Laws, honoris causa, today, the 13th day of January 2015.
तुम भी लोग यार परेशान किए पड़े हो।
तो सारा डब्बा बना के रखा ये फोटोग्राफर ना।
हाँ।
धन्यवाद सर। मैं माननीय कुलपति जी से निवेदन करती हूँ कि हमारी दूसरी मानद उपाधि मैडम डॉक्टर मंजू शर्मा को प्रदान करें।
क्या पता?
Dr. Manju Sharma, born in 1940, did her master's in botany from the University of Lucknow in 1961. She is not a new face to the city of Lucknow. PhD also from the University of Lucknow and postdoctoral research at Purdue University, United States of America. Being the granddaughter of the great educationist, freedom fighter and institution builder, late Shri Madan Mohan Malviya ji, a dedicated working style, determined attitude and odors of love and affection come naturally to her. Excellence has been her motto since a very young age. Dr. Sharma worked for the Forest Research Institute in 1970 at Dehradun for a short stint. Then she moved to Delhi. She was the Secretary Department of Biotechnology, Senior Advisor Department of Biotechnology, and prior to this, Scientific Advisor to Prime Minister, Planning Commission, and Department of Science and Technology. She has received many awards and accolades, among them the Padma Bhushan, National Senior Women Bioscientist Award, Nasib Platinum Jubilee Gold Medal, and the Norman E. Borlaug Award. In 2004, she received Lifetime Achievement Award from Biospectrum, Vastavik Award, K.N. Behl Memorial Gold Medal, 5th National Science and Technology Award, and Ashutosh Mukherjee Memorial Award 2010, to name a few. She has been chosen as a member of the Hall of Fame of the International Conference Women, Biotechnology, Environment and Non-Conventional Energy, organized by the ISCT and the Third World Organization of Women Scientists. Dr. Sharma is presently the President and Executive Director of the Indian Institute of Advanced Research She is a renowned leader in promoting bioscience and technology in India and around the world. She has been instrumental in establishing a number of new institutions such as the National Institute of Immunology, New Delhi Center for DNA Fingerprinting and Diagnostics, Hyderabad National Brain Research Center, Manesar, Institute of Biosource and Sustainable Development, Manipur National Institute of Plant Genome Research, National Center for Cell Science, Pune. She was the first female president of India's National Academy of Sciences, the distinct women scientist chair of the Academy. She was the co-chair of the advisory panel on women in science of the Inter-Academy Council, chair of the Standing Committee for Biotechnology in TWAS, and continuously member and chair of the Board of Governors of the United Nations University Institute of Advanced Science in Tokyo, to name a few. Dr. Sharma has been researcher par excellence and trailblazer for the cause of science and technology over the last 45 years. Dr. Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University therefore considered it an honor to confer upon this great scientist, researcher and institute builder, Dr. Manju Sharma, the degree of Doctor of Science, honoris causa today, the 13th day of January 2015.
अरे हटिए सर।
Friends, board also decided to honor 3 persons. Dr. Radhakrishnan, former chairman ISRO. Dr. Satyavati, Nobel Prize winner. And senior most CM of the country, Prakash Singh Badalji. But somehow they could not come, and the degree will be given in the forthcoming convocations.
धन्यवाद कुलपति महोदय। और अब मैं कुल सचिव महोदय जी से निवेदन करूंगा कि वो माननीय कुलपति जी से उपस्थित सभी अभ्यर्थियों को उपाधियां प्रदान करने की प्रक्रिया प्रारंभ करने का निवेदन करें। माननीय कुल सचिव महोदय।
मैं माननीय कुलपति जी से निवेदन करती हूँ कि वे सभी अभ्यर्थियों को उपाधियां प्रदान करने की प्रक्रिया का शुभारंभ करें।
इस समारोह में शैक्षणिक सत्र 2012-13 और 2013-14 में होने वाली परीक्षाओं में सफल रहे परीक्षार्थियों को उपाधियां प्रदान की जाए।
कृपया सभी उपाधियों के अभ्यर्थियों से निवेदन है कि वो अपने अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं। ऐसे सभी छात्र छात्राएं जिनको किसी भी प्रकार की कोई भी उपाधि दी जानी है वो अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं।
क्या आप लोग निष्ठापूर्वक प्रतिज्ञा करते हुए घोषित करते हैं कि स्व अभ्यर्थित एवं संस्कृत उपाधियों की स्वीकृति प्राप्त कर लेने के बाद आप लोग पवित्र मन से, सत्यवाणी से एवं उज्जवल आचरण से इस विश्वविद्यालय के सदाचारी और उन्नतिकामी सदस्य बने रहेंगे?
कहें कि मैं प्रतिज्ञा करता हूं।
क्या आप प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि अधिक से अधिक यथावसर और यथाशक्ति आप लोग सदाचार और ज्ञान विज्ञान के संशोधन एवं संवर्धन में सदा प्रयत्नशील रहेंगे?